Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a low-buy video and it's the intro for this year. I'm doing a low-buy each year and I'm failing each time, but I think it is a fun idea overall, and I'm gonna tell you everything that I purchased this year. And let me tell you, it's the 1st of February today when I'm filming this, and I already purchased so many items. So I'm gonna tell you everything that I purchased, and then we will do a category low buy. So I'm gonna tell you in each category what do I want to purchase, how many products, etc. So let's talk about the products that I purchased very fast, and then I'm gonna let you know about the categories. So on the 2nd of January, I purchased this one. This is the Clarins Water Lip Stain. It was a bit of an impulse purchase, but it's an interesting product nonetheless. It is pretty expensive. It is from Clarins, and I have it on my lips today. What do you think? Do you think it looks good? Because I tried this one a million times actually. I think it was Kelly Gooch who actually convinced me to purchase a lip stain, because she was mentioning a lip stain as a lip liner and then apply a lip liner and a gloss or something and it will look better. I mean, it will be longer lasting. You cannot do that with this one because it's not perfect. One time I did apply this one as a lip liner and I had just a small line on my lips in here and it was so ugly, and for hours it was there, and even now I did apply it all over the lips, and I don't know if you are able to see, but I do have some cracks and stuff like that, and it is just emphasizing that. I don't know if lip stains are for me really. Next, on the 3rd of January, I placed a drugstore order. I purchased the Sigma F43. I was hoping that this will be a bronzer brush. It is not. Maybe just for cream bronzer or for cream products this is nice, but for powder it's not the best. I purchased the L'Oreal bronzer. This is a favorite for this year. I already know I'm gonna mention this one in the favorites. It's so blendable, so beautiful, and this shade is perfect for me right now. I have the shade 250. This is great for me because I'm self-blending a lot. It's just wonderful. Then I did repurchase my favorite mascaras, the Lash Without Limits and the Lash Princess, just because I wanted some newer ones. The other ones were pretty old, so I did that. And lastly in this order, I purchased the Essence Hydra Kiss, but I'm showing you another shade. This is the shade Honey Honey. I'm gonna talk about it in a bit. I purchased another one. I didn't like it because it was the clear one with the smell of roses. I don't like the smell of fake roses. I do like the actual flowers, not the scent, so that one was not for me. I gave it to my best friend though, so it is not a waste. On the 6th of January, I purchased the Natasha Denona Mini Sculpt. I really like it. It is a nice product and I'm happy I bought it. I actually went to Greece. I took this one with me. It was really great and really handy. It's the great usual nice formula from Natasha Denona. On the 8th of January, I purchased this mascara. It is the Sky High, but in the burgundy shade. It is Burgundy Haze. This is not burgundy enough for my taste. I would have liked for this one to be even more pigmented. It's a nice mascara overall. You can see if this eye is black and this eye is burgundy, you will see a bit of a difference, but yeah, one day I did upper lashes black and lower lashes with this. I was not seeing the biggest of a difference, so in my opinion it was a waste of money for me in particular. Then I purchased the NYX the face glue. I need to test this one more. The spritzer is just so aggressive, so it's just making me like it less. I do like the primer though. The primer is really great, but the setting spray, it's okay. Then I have something that I didn't test yet actually. It is the Natasha Denona High Blush. I have the shade Simply Shy. and I cannot wait to test it out. I'm gonna test it tomorrow. I wanted to just film a first impression, so I'm not... I just looked at it. It is so beautiful, but yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna film something with it. It looks... I must say, I'm gonna say in the video as well and in the speed reviews and everything, this packaging is something. I'm gonna put in here a picture. Charlotte Tilbury is releasing some eyeshadow palettes, and look at the quality of the packaging. It looks so cheap. Everybody's talking about them because they look like garbage, in my opinion. They look like $5 eyeshadows. So I want to just compare that a bit with the packaging from Natasha Denona. Then I bought the Haus Labs, the mini lip oil, and this one I tested only once, but it's annoying. I know that it is the mini version, but still the applicator is just so small and the stopper is so strong, so I need to just dip the brush in here like 5 times to cover my lips. It's a bit annoying. Then what else did I purchase? I purchased this shade of the Essence. This is the shade that I really like. It is the honey shade, and I really like this lip oil, and it is very affordable. Next I purchased the Essence, the Super Balm Glossy Lip Treatment. I use it only once, so this is not a review. This is not a review video, but I do like it. It was very nourishing. Yeah, like I said, I need to taste it more, but so far I do like it. What else did I purchase? I purchased not one, but 2 of these. This is the Baby Got Glow from Essence. I repurchased my favorite one, this shade, the Rose and Shine, and then I purchased... I'm always making... This is a mistake. If you... Not all the time, but for me, if I love something, if I love a formula or something, I do like the formula, but I love the color as well. And if I am purchasing another color, I always, but absolutely always, like it less. I have in here the shade Sassy in Silk. It's a beautiful champagne shade. I don't like it that much. It looks nice, but it's just too light for me. And I purchased this one as well. It is the Berry M Heatwave Liquid Blusher, and I'm so sad I don't like it. I was so curious about this product and excited because it looked so nice online. The Rare Beauty blush is something special, really, because it's so easy to blend. It doesn't look muddy or just doesn't emphasize anything. It looks so nice. This one is just, if I want to place it down, blend it with a brush, it's not seamless, it's just a bit patchy. And lastly, today I purchased this one, so I didn't test it yet. It is for tomorrow. I'm testing the ABH New Foundation, and as well, look at this packaging. It's a very simple packaging, but it looks nice, it looks expensive, and it is expensive, so better look expensive as well. I've got the shade 1.5. I think it is, I hope it is a good shade from me. A girl at Sephora was so nice and so helpful, and she picked the shade for me actually, so I hope it's nice. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, film a video, I'm so excited. But yeah, this is the last thing that I purchased. So a lot of things, way too many things actually. So let's talk about the categories and what I'm not purchasing in the near future. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.